Goal 4 of the Sustainable Development Goals, Quality Education. What are 3 life skills that are learned in school? School and the real world are often depicted as opposites. Where school is shown as a place of acceptance and rewards, the real world is a place many would describe as sometimes tough to navigate. After years of school, some students find it hard to transition once formal education has ended. Finding a job, applying for college, and living on your own are foreign concepts to most recent grads, and they find themselves ill-equipped to handle this new stage of life. Although there are some key differences to being a student and life after school, they have more in common than most would think. While in school, there are certain skills learned that transfer over into the real world. Critical thinking is taught in school through puzzles and problem-solving questions. When you are faced with challenges in the workplace, critical thinking will come in handy to help identify an issue and formulate a solution. Communication skills are taught in classes like public speaking and English, along with extracurricular activities like clubs and sports. These skills can transfer into crafting business emails and delivering presentations for corporate success. Conducting research is a skill taught in school that sticks with you. In school, you do research for science experiments, papers, and how to find answers to problems. Research skills are carried into the real world in professions like journalism, marketing, and law. The purpose of school is to get young minds ready for the real world. Aside from the curriculum, the life skills that are taught enable these students to flourish as adults.